How to create a custom username on Threads. In order to do that, you can see in here our Threads profile. Just click on this edit profile option, and in here you can see your name. And on your name, you have in here as well your username. Just click on that right here, and as you can see, your name, username are synced with Instagram and can only be changed there. If you want a custom username, we need to head over to our Instagram application. And then from in there, just change the username from the app itself. So we have in here this, click on edit profile and we have our username. Just change it and make sure first that that username is available. If it's available, you can see it right here. Just click on this check icon in order to save this. And then once you have changed your username onto your account, it will also be reflected to your Threads app right here because those two are linked together. So that's how you create a custom username on Threads. Hope you helped.